RGTI stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only person in this freaking space that has done 40,000 videos, so I've documented it all. It's taken me 5 years to install my YouTube channel, and ironically I'm looking to just double down. You can see like this is might seem crazy, but this is really began when it was $2-3 at the time. I was waiting, hoping for a little correction. Yeah, it was like 3. Took it from freaking 3 up to like 21, so that's like 7x. And then I have my swing idea, and with that swing idea I had like 1-2 correct predictions. I'm looking to just double down. So moving into Tuesday, my perfect kind of approach would be the price pulling down and then giving me some sort of a shift and a double break, right? In that particular instance, I'm obviously buying, because why the heck wouldn't I? And then that being said, like if the price, I'm just looking for confirmation. If the price doesn't give me any sort of confirmation, I'm not looking to buy. Like it's really that simple. RGTI, you can see I have some, obviously a lot of receipts previously here. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.